How to convert WhatsApp chat to PDF. First, open your WhatsApp app. Select the chat you want to convert into PDF. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on More. Then select Export Chat. You will get two options here: include media and without media. If you want to export your chat with photos and videos, then select include media. But if you want to export only chats, then select without media. However, you can also export the chat from settings. Tap on the three dots again. Tap on settings. Then tap on chats. Scroll down a little and tap on chat history. Tap on export chat. Now select the chat you want to export. I'm selecting without media here. Choose the export location. Now save the files. Go back and check the file. Here is your chat in PDF. And that's it. This is how you can convert WhatsApp chat into PDF.